Eto na mga boss, Taro vs to Hold No Loss NFT Lottery guys. Sobrang exciting nito. Pwede ka na mag-enter using T-Gold or Taro, no? $20 ticket. Guys, review natin to. Let's go! So guys, update lang, no? Solid talaga to dahil hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan dito. $20 lang guys, pwede ka nang mag-invest dito. No loss lottery yung pangalan kasi hindi ka talaga talo. Kahit na anong makuha mo dito, panalo ka. So guys, kung gusto mo yung Taroverse, ang tagal na natin nire-review tong Taroverse, buhay pa rin to. Dahil sobrang ganda ng economy ng game, sobrang galing ng devs at sustainable for the long term siya. Magandang graphics, metaverse talaga. I-check nyo lahat na review na sa Taroverse. So far is one of the best NFT games na nireview natin. So yan. So unique NFT features, upgrades, ayan, and staking meron din. Okay, may bago rin. Siyempre, play to earn NFT game nga to. Ayan yung website guys, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow them guys. Dahil sobrang lupit nito. So you can check the contract address. And you can also buy T-Gold guys. Dahil malaki talagang potential nitong T-Gold na to. So kakalagay lang nito sa pancake nung no. Alam ko, a month ago lang to. Nireview natin. Less than a month. So, grabe. So, i-check nyo yan. And guys, another thing to consider is download nyo rin yung game, no, para ma-enjoy nyo, makita nyo gaano kaganda talaga to. So meron staking capabilities dito guys, huwag nyo kalimutan. Ayan, may chess, okay, launch pads. So there are a lot of potential here, and you can stake as well if you're interested. Staking in layman's term guys, magpapasok ka ng token, kikita ka for the long term. Passive income for life yan, napakalupit talaga. So guys, another thing to consider, ayan yung Taro, no. So, i-check nyo rin. Yan. Panoorin natin upgrade mechanism, no, para may idea kayo mga boss. So, ang upgrade mechanism, ganyan lang siya. So, pwede ka mag-upgrade ng mga NFTs mo. Ayan. Malaking feature din yan, no, kapag meron ka ng may NFT, kapag bumili ka sa chess, no, nakakuha ka sa chess or lottery. Diba? Iba-iba. So, yan. Pwede mong upgrade guys yung mga sa'yo, yung mga NFTs, which is a very big factor to consider, no. So, confirm mo lang and sign mo sa wallet. Confirm, guys. So, may small gas fee lang naman, pero worth it naman for the long term, no, mga boss. Lupit, mga boss, no? So, wait lang natin habang nagko-confirm siya. Ayan. NFT card upgraded. Mining power 30. Guys, ganun lang kabilis, no? So, very interesting. Pwede ka mag-upgrade 1 to 20, gawin mo 30. Stop, upgrade mo naman. So, naging epic siya, no? And another thing to consider, guys, gawin mo na mining 30 lahat ng gusto ng tag-10 mo, no? So, diskarte mo na yan kung paano mo yan. Pero pwede mo rin upgrade yung epic, and pwede mo siyang i-combine with a common. Okay, para o kaya mag-combine ka ng dalawang common, uncommon, para maging epic either way. So, nasa white paper lahat yan para makita ninyo. See it for yourself, paano ba gawin, no? Kailangan pag-aralan nyo yan mga boss. And mga boss, yung mga hindi pa nag-enroll sa NFT program natin, danjocapitalmaster.com, pwede na kayo sumali guys. Yung link nasa description na para mapadali sa inyo guys. Okay? So, as you can see, you can upgrade. Ayan yan, upgrade na mining power. So, napakalupit nito guys. Make sure you're aware about this and stay updated, no, sa Taroverse. So meron din dito, NFT staking nga, ayan. So ito naman, stake ka lang, no. So ayan guys, pwede ka mag-stake sa my NFT, no. So super big deal to stake NFT dahil passive income for life yan. So this is a very great way to earn big in Taroverse, no, mga boss. Ayan, nag-stake ka lang. Ang gas fee lang binabayaran mo dyan, pero pag nakalapag na yan, wala ka na babayaran, kumikita ka na lang, pumapasok na lang. So, diba, ang cool feature nito guys, no? Taroverse lang may ganyan. So, may auto-add din function siya. Ayan. Natamaan stake set. And, pwede mong boost, no? So, ayan, pwede mong stake all lahat minsanan kung marami kang NFTs, no? Tapos depende sa mining power din yan doon sa isa, no? So far so good guys. As you can see, Taroverse has one of the best potential NFT games. Super great, super good. Happy Independence Day doon sa Asian community. And check nyo yung mga rarities, no? Ayan, common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, play to earn guys. And of course yung NFT lottery. Make sure you join guys, no? So play it out now. Okay, win 20,000 NFT sheets are up for grabs with zero risk. Okay, so siyempre yung Tigol, huwag yung kalimutan mga boss. So sobrang lupit nito. August 16 until August 23 guys. This has big potential. 20k lang yan, huwag yung palampasin. The Statue of the Capital Master #1 NFT coach in the world, Infinite, no? So far bago na yung website nila. As you can see, may achievements list, ayan, goals, vision, bago na rin yung wallet, meron na rin no, top 4, ayan, Monster Chain, low cost entry, sobrang lupit naman sa Infinite guys, better check them out. Sobrang lupit nito for the long term, no, in Docs Devs din, sobrang laki ng community, no? But magkaiba kasi ito sa Taraverse. Yung Taraverse paangat pa lang, ito nakaangat na so may risk reward for the long term, no? Iba yan, so check nyo rin yan guys. This is Statue of the Capital Master #1 NFT coach in the world, Taraverse and Monster Infinite guys, check it out.